Okay, so I was away on holiday and I came back to all of this basically right in time for Christmas. So yeah, let's open up some packages. So I'm going to start on the small packages just because they'll be a bit easier to open. So we're going to go in with this package first. I have a few from TikTok Shop which I'm really excited about. And this is the first one. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I got this really cute top from Yosi, and it basically has like little bow ties on the front. I thought it would just look really cute for winter because it's actually a jumper, but you know, you get the vibe? You get the vibe. Come on, this is super cute. Okay, our next package is this one, which I think it's also a package from TikTok Shop. I've been dying to see this package, so I'm so glad that it's finally here. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Wow. I love that it's gold. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try and use this. I think I might have to do a separate video just on the phone alone because for the next one, I'm going to open this one. Is it just me that's struggling to open packages? Like, they really package it up. I got the Absolute Pistachio perfume from French Arabian Perfumes. And if you've seen on my page before, I absolutely adore their perfumes. They have vanilla, they have cherry, they have candy, they've got peach, they've got chocolate. Like, they've got so many different scents of perfume. And now I have pistachio. Yes. I can smell it already and I haven't even opened it. It's a unisex perfume. So that's really good because then, you know, if you're buying it, you have the option of who to give it to. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, there's a lot of paper. A lot of paper. Oh! It's the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Oh wow, I've seen everyone use this and everyone says that it's been amazing, so I'm super excited to try this out. What shade did they give me? 356. Yeah, it looks about right. Okay, next I think I'm going to open this package from Milani. I love the packaging, by the way. It's definitely giving Christmas vibes. Glisten and Glow, it says on the box. Okay. Your effortless holiday glam on the glow. It's a highly rated diamond lip gloss and a lip plumper. Me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades, and they all look absolutely stunning. Oh, I think this one is holographic, you know. I'm going to be using this because what? Okay, next we have Bubble. I was not expecting anything from Bubble, but I'm glad that I've got it, so thank you. What I know of Bubble, they do skincare and it does come highly rated, so I'm excited to see what's inside. It says, hi, thank you so much for choosing to give Bubble a try and we hope you love the goodies. Wow, and it's got a little like pamphlet and everything. It tells you all the information that you need to know. Let's see what they've got. Wow. Oh my goodness, what? They've got a gel cleanser, a balancing mist, and a hydrating moisturizer in this skincare set. Also got tiny mighties. So I guess if you're going on holiday, which is such a shame because I just came back from holiday, but I guess if you're going on holiday, then this would be perfect for you because it's all, I'm assuming, travel size. Yeah, they're like 10, between 5 and 10 ml. So this is perfect if, you know, you were going on holiday, you just bring this with you. Then got a lips and face hydrating set. And they look so, I've actually put that on my tree, you know. Lastly have a mini 2-step routine, which these are also a 10 ml and a 30 ml. So you could totally take that on a holiday if needs be. Okay, our next box is from Elemis. So I'm super excited because Elemis can never do wrong. So I just know that the stuff in here is going to be great. Alright, first we've got the Superfood Facial Wash. I absolutely love this. I always use it when I go on holiday. It just keeps my skin really nice and clean. So I've got that. Got a Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. Again, really good. If you like using face scrubs, this is going to be your best friend. Like, it takes away all the dead skin, leaves your skin feeling really glowy without drying it out or anything like that. Then I have a Peptide 4 Overnight Radiance Peel, which I was actually super excited to try this because I love using things that's going to make my skin look more glowy, more clear, because I have hyperpigmentation as well. So anything that's going to help me get rid of that, I'm always here for it. So I'm excited to give this one a go. Then, oh, I love this. The Superfood Midnight Facial. This, I don't know what it is about this, but it honestly improved my skin so much. It made my skin super glowy. And when it finished, I was absolutely heartbroken because I was like, I need more. So thank you. They sent me a candle. I absolutely adore Elemis's candles. They just smell so good. They last so long. And this time they gave me English Garden, which is rose, dewberry, and peony. Okay. Alright, so we've got 3 packages left. So let's go in with Wonder Skin. Okay, it is their Blading Top Gloss, and this is in the shade Red. Because I have their lip stain, which I absolutely love, but I always thought, oh, it would be so nice if this came with like a gloss to go on top. And now we have it. We'll just do this. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Straight away I saw the food, you know. But thank you. Wow. See visible results in 4 hours. Okay. 3-in-1 technology. Will shrink, smooth, and protect spots. So they've given me the power patches. There is olives in here as well, like a tin of olives. A mocktail, a J2O mocktail. And I have been seeing so many people talking about these truffle crisps. And everyone says how nice they taste, but I've actually never seen these anywhere. Like, I've never seen it in any supermarket before, but everyone always raves about it. So I'm definitely going to give those a go. Oh, I thought this was like a Christmas ornament. I was going to say I'll put it on my tree, but no, it's, I think it's a cup. Our last package. It's been a long day. We're on the last one, guys. This one is from TikTok Shop, and if it's what I think it is, I'm going to be very happy. These. Wow. We also have cream. Oh, I think these are the burgundy. I think those were... Wait. Oh, okay. I'm guessing these are supposed to be like berry, and these are burgundy. Standard black. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so that concludes my PR unboxing. Freshly home from my holiday and right on time for Christmas. I think I'm definitely going to do separate videos on certain items like the phone and the perfume, which still smells absolutely amazing. It's definitely got that sweet nutty smell. Very, very nice. Really do like that. But yeah, that was my little PR haul, and hopefully I shall see you guys on the next one.